Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today I'm going to create a short video which will demonstrate you how to create database, then how to take backup, and then again how to restore the database from that backup. Fine. So this is agenda for this video. Okay. So what are we going to do? We are going to connect first our server. So just click on a connect and then just give your server name, user authentication, and connect to your respective server. Fine. So I can see here databases, so you need to expand it here. And okay, fine. So I'm clicking on a databases. I'm going to click on a right click on the new databases and selecting the new databases, as I'm creating from the scratch and just want to give a brief idea. Okay, so right click on the databases, it will pop up a window and just give the database name. I'm giving as a demo underscore 4. Basically this is my database, right? I'm going to click on OK. So the new database will created, which will have the name demo underscore 4. Fine. So I'm going to expand this database and I'm going to add a new table. I'm seeing here there is no table right now because we just created. I'm going to right click on the table, then click on a new and click on a table. Okay, so here I'm just giving one single column. We'll just let's say ID and just a dummy data type when contain. Fine. So I'm going to the top and doing a right click and click on a save, giving name as a demo. Okay, fine. So click on a OK and your table will be created automatically, and just close it here. Now you can see there is no tables. Then to see it, you need to right click on that, you need to click on a refresh, and you will see the table. Perfectly fine. So far we created database, and in the database we created table. Now my intention is to show you how we can create a backup of this database. So you need to right click on the database, go to the task, then there is an option called as a backup. Select it here and one pop-up window will appear. Here it will show you which database do you want to take a backup. Then there are multiple options: full, differential, and the transactional log. So I'm going to take a full, just to tell you what are the three. Basically these are three different type of the backup option. So if I say full, I want to take entire backup, entire object, right? So I'll go for a full. And if I say transactional log, so for every transactional log backup we should always first take a full backup. On the top of that we'll take the transactional log backup. So what will it do? It will take a backup of the log files after some specific interval, and when we want to restore the database from those backup, then first we need to restore the full backup, then consequent the transactional log backup we need to restore. And third type is a differential backup. If when I say differential backup, it means that first we need to take a full backup, then after some time the whatever the changes of the duration of the main database, it will be taken. For example, yesterday I have taken backup at 10 p.m. and today I want to take backup at 10 p.m. So there is a difference of 24 hours, right? And whatever data has been changed, only that change backup, only that difference data get captured and that backup is taken. And if I want to restore the differential backup, then first you need to do a restore the full backup, then the respective differential backup. Fine. So this is the type of the backup. I'm going to take a full backup and need to pass here the location. I'm just passing the location because I want to give my user defined location. So you need to click on the path and the pop-up will appear, and there you need to specify the locations. Okay, fine. So click on a back and here just give the name demo underscore 4. Click on a OK. Just click on a OK. Okay, we did mistake here actually. We need to give some extension for that, otherwise it will show the unknown one, right? Again we are going back to H drive, selecting the backup file, just giving the demo underscore 4, backup.bak. This is the extension you need to give. Okay, just take a back. This is very simple, right? We created we created database and we have taken the backup also. Fine. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this database. But if you are working on a production, please don't drop the database. This is the testing one, so I'm showing you. Now I want to restore this database on this server because I don't have it assume it. So what you need to do, you need to click on a restore database. Then here you need to click on a device. Okay, then you need to click on a sign, then you need to click on add, and go to your respective path where you just have taken a backup. Okay, fine. So this is the backup file. Click on OK. Fine. Now it will do all the validation. So just check verify backup. All looks good. Fine. Click on OK. Oh, database has been created, demo 4. So to verify, just expand this one and just go to the tables. We created demo 1 before taking the backup, right? So this is simple. How to restore how to create database, then how to take a backup and how to restore it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I don't think you guys have any problem for restoring and taking a backup of a database. If you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.